alam na ni Alice, sabi niya gustong-gusto niyang sabihin sa atin, Madam Chair. Pero tuwing dilingon siya sa likod niya, may dalawa doon na bumubulong na parang ayaw po siyang pagsabihan. I'm being tempted to cite them also in contempt, Madam Chair.
The word of caution lang sa mga colleagues ko kasi ako'y abogado din po. Parang napapansin ko maabot na sa radar ninyo yung mga abogado nasa likod, but they're only doing their responsibility or their jobs, my dear colleagues. Wag natin silang warningan or something. They have a role to perform. Pero pakiusap ko lang po, wag natin paringgan yung mga abogado sa likod because they have a role to play. Malay mo, winarningan sila kanina na malay mo sila maging biktima ng sindikato. Ang akin naman warning sa atin, malay mo tayo naman mangailangan ng abogado in the future. So, labas natin sa radar natin yung mga abogado.
May I just place into the record that I was voted and given mandate by the people to do my job as the representatives of the people. I am a senator, a sitting senator, and I can say whatever I wanted to say, and we are bound by the rules, Madam Chair. I only made mention about it because we wanted to ferret out the truth. Who is afraid of the truth, Madam Chair? Put on record that this is absolutely in contrast with the statements made by Ms. Sheila Go that they traveled from Banban for 5 hours, Madam Chair, south of Luzon, and now itong si Gua Huaping is saying that they took that white boat here in Manila, Madam Chair. Just to put on record.
Yes, thank you, Sen Joel. Miss Alice, nasulat mo na ba yung pangalan nung may-ari at facilitator sa yate? Pakisulat po. Kanina nyo pa sinabing gagawin nyo. Isulat sa papel yung may-ari at facilitator sa yate.
Gusto mo bang lumapit pa
Sen,
kami para ibulong mo sa amin, Alice?
Yes, Sen JV.
Yes, Madam Chair. Is it okay if Alice could narrate to us yung kanya pong istorya, yung kanya pong escape story, so that we can compare it doon kay Sheila, no, kung talagang totoo. Ngayon pa lang magkaiba na eh. Isa small boat to big boat, ito yate. So probably kung pwede lang, Alice, hindi naman ito makaka-apekto sa iyong mga kasong pinail sa iyo, pero gusto lang namin malaman kung paano ka tumakas, kasi matutulungan mo din ang komite para at ang lahat para malaman natin kung sino yung mga tumutulong nang sa ganun yung mga kriminal na tumatakas hindi ito maulit. Yun lang pagtakas mo, pag gusto natin malaman. Pwede mo inarrange sa dahil, Madam Chair?
Salamat, Sen JV. Yes, unang-una, pakisulat na sa papel yung may-ari ng yate at yung facilitator sa yacht ride nyo. Pangalawa, ikwento mo yung naging biyahe nyo at ruta mula sa Manila sakay sa yate.
Madam Chair.
Sendoroy.
Yeah, may I move, Madam Chair, that we suspend the rules of this committee by affording Ms. Alice Go executive session para makuha natin yung informasyon na yan. Sabi niya, payag to siya.
With all due respect, Sendoroy. There is...
Bato.
I'm sorry. The chair would like to recognize the presence of Sen Bong Revilla. Salamat sa pagdalo. There is a motion, duly seconded, pero ngayon pa lamang I am hearing objections to the motion to go into executive session. Yes?
I have a very strong reservation, Madam Chair, for an executive session because I really think the public, we owe it to the public to know all of this. After tayong bastusin at balaurain ng mga puganting ito, bigyan natin ng justice din yung mga taong naghanap at pinahirapan itong gusto, Madam Chair. It's a simple question, Madam Chair. And in fact, Madam Chair, alam na ni Alice, sabi niya gustong-gusto niyang sabihin sa atin, Madam Chair. Pero tuwing dilingon siya sa likod niya, may dalawa doon na bumubulong na parang ayaw po siyang pagsabihan. I'm being tempted to cite them also in contempt, Madam Chair.
After all, one of them is also a resource person. Sen.
Madam
Joel.
Chair.
But in any
Madam
case,
Chair.
yes, before Sen. Doroy again, there was a motion, duly seconded. May strong reservation, may objection. The chair will call for... Okay, before the chair suspends, Sen. Sherwin.
Madam Chairperson, with all due respect to Senator Bato, si Sheila ho, nung pumunta ho dito, malaya siya nagkwento kung ano yung pinagdaanan nila. Hindi naman ho siya humingi ng executive session. So, hindi ko ho nakikita kung bakit po si Go Huaping humingi ng executive session. Hindi rin naman niya masabi kung ano po yung banta sa kanyang buhay. Kung may banta ho sa kanyang buhay, bakit ho si Sheila Go wala akong banta sa kanyang buhay? So, kaya hindi po ako sumasang-ayon na magkaroon ng executive session dahil ito po yung isa sa pinakamahalagang aspeto nitong investigasyon. Paano at sino ang tumulong ho sa kanya para makatakas po.
Madam Chair.
Salamat, Sen. Sherwin.
I am inclined-
Sen. Doroy and then the minority leader.
I am inclined to withdraw my motion, but before that, I would like to explain my position on this matter. Madam Chair, alam ko yung nararamdaman ng aking mga colleagues. That's why I'm inclined to withdraw my motion. Pero ang sa akin lang, andito na si Sheila Go. Kung sige tayo insist na he has to divulge that information openly, in open hearing, hindi talaga siya, magmamatigas siya. Whereas kung executive session tayo, ibibigay niya for our own consumption, at least may ma-extract tayo information at magagamit natin somehow, Madam Chair. Yun lang ang akin, parang pinulis na pag-iisip. Sayang din yung impormasyon na yun pag hindi natin makuha. Magmamatigas yan, wala tayong magawa. Hindi ba natin yan pwedeng sa interview, yung isang mas harsh na interrogation. Hindi mo natin pwede interrogate yan. Hanggang interview lang tayo dito. So, yun lang, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Salamat kaayo, Sen. Doroy. Minority leader and then Sen. Joel.
Yes. Hindi, word of caution lang sa mga colleagues ko kasi ako'y abogado din po. Parang napapansin ko maabot na sa radar ninyo yung mga abogadong nasa likod. But they're only doing their responsibility or their jobs, my dear colleagues. Wag natin silang warningan o sabi they have a role to perform. Ang pakiusap ko lang sa mga kasama ko sa profession, we competently just do our duty. If your client has a right, you let her invoke it, explain to her how to invoke it properly, connect it to the matter at hand, and then you trust us then if we will agree with the reasoning or not. Pero pakiusap ko lang po, wag natin paringgan yung mga abogado sa likod because they have a role to play, and malay mo, winarningan sila kanina na malay mo sila maging biktima ng sindikato. Ang akin naman warning sa atin, malay mo tayo naman na mangailangan ng abogado in the future. So labas natin sa radar natin yung mga abogado. Just perform your job, your responsibility in accordance with our code of professional responsibility.
Madam Chair.
Salamat kaayo, Mayno. But for the record, for one, Attorney David is as not just counsel to Miss Alice but also a resource person in this hearing.
Madam Chair,
Sen. Joel.
may I just place into the record that I was voted and given mandate by the people to do my job as the representatives of the people. I am a senator, a sitting senator, and I can say whatever I wanted to say. And we are bound by the rules, Madam Chair. I only made mention about it because we wanted to ferret out the truth. Who is afraid of the truth, Madam Chair? I appreciate what Senator Bato made mention, but let me also state for the record, Madam Chair, that there's no case about her escape right now, Madam Chair. So questions about her escape should not be part of self-incrimination privilege, Madam Chair. Now, when it comes to death threats, Madam Chair, no one amongst us understand. Really, Madam Chair, bakit ka aalis ng bansa? Tapos pag nakita mo ang PNP tsaka SILG, okay ka. Safe ka. Pero hindi mo masabi. Ayaw mong tulungan ka namin? Ayaw mong tulungan ka ng Senado? Klaro po sa akin yun, Madam Chair. Hindi talaga death threat. So, Madam Chair, as much as I wanted to help the client of the two lawyers advising her, Madam Chair, ang pinaka-role natin dito is to ferret out the truth. We wanted to know the truth. Tinakasan na po tayo nitong pugante na ito. Tapos, bebebihin pa ba rin natin siya, Madam Chair? I don't agree with it, Madam Chair. Sorry, thank you.
Madam Chairman.
Salamat, Sen Joel. Sen Sherwin.
Just quick interjection, Madam Chairman. May I know from Ms. Go, nag-file ba siya ng police report dito sa kanyang death threat?
Miss Alice.
Sen, hindi po.
Nasabi niyo ba kay SILG, kay Chief PNP, dahil kaharap niyo na sila eh? No? Nasabi niyo ba sa kanila yung detalye niyang inyong death threat?
Hindi po lahat po.
Kasi nung ako nagkaroon ng death threat, ang una kong ginawa, mag-file ng police report para on record to. At inimbestigahan ng police para malaman kung totoo o hindi. Dahil hindi ko rin alam kung totoo o hindi. As precautionary measure, nag-file ako ng police report. Pero sa inyo, sinasabi nyo may death threat kayo, pero wala naman kayong ginawa. Sinasabi nyo lang may death threat kayo. Paano ngayon may imbestigahan ng kapulisan, ng NBI, kung legitimate yung death threat nyo, o gawa-gawa nyo lang? Kasi sa mata namin ngayon, gawa-gawa nyo lang to para hindi kayo sumagot.
Sem, di po ako gumagawa po ng kwento. Totoo po.
Hindi po yan ang tanong ni Sen Sherwin. Tinatanong niya, kung nakatanggap talaga kayo ng death threat noon, bakit hindi nyo ipinormal sa isang police report?
Natatakot po kasi ako sa safety ko po, Sen. Kaya, opo.
Kami rin, natatakot rin kami sa safety namin, but we have to trust our enforcers at one point. Dahil dapat maimbestigahan yan. Pero parang ginagamit mo lang tong death threat para hindi ka sumagot eh. Kaya
Madam Chair.
ikot ho kami dito eh.